Hi everyone, this is Joe38Me here again. Okay, I've got 4 minutes to make this video, either before my battery dies or I run out of time on the camcorder. I want to talk about the law in England and Wales and homeschooling in England and Wales. Basically, the law says that every child should be educated, whether at school or otherwise. Don't pull that. It says is school compulsory? No, school is not compulsory. Education is compulsory, but school is not compulsory. The parental duties, it says, this is in all of this information is in the Education Act of 1996. The parental duties: the parent of every child of compulsory school age shall cause him to receive efficient full-time education, either by regular attendance at school or otherwise. Now, the LEA, that's the local education authority, and there's a different LEA for each area, but they all work by the same guidelines. They may ask, if they feel that you have a child that's not been educated, they may ask you to prove, if you're a homeschooler, that your child is educated, and that's in sections 437 to 443. Okay, do I have to register my child, or do I have to register myself as a homeschooler? It's confusing, yes and no. If your child has already been registered in the school and you want to withdraw your child from the school, you have to deregister your child. So yes, you have to inform them that you want to take your child out of school. If your child has never been to school and never been registered in a school, then no, you don't have to do anything. You're not obligated in any way, and I'll quickly run through what you're not obligated to do. Oh, is he? Leave that there. You're not obligated to seek permission to educate otherwise, or to take the initiative in informing the LEA. That's the local education authority. You don't have to have regular contact with the LEA. You don't have to have premises that's equipped to a particular standard. You don't have to have any specific qualifications. You don't have to cover the same syllabus as any school. You don't have to adopt the national curriculum. You don't have to make detailed plans in advance. You don't have to observe school hours, days or terms. You don't have to have a fixed timetable. You don't have to give formal lessons. You don't have to reproduce a school-type peer group socialisation of any sort. And you don't have to match school age specific standards. So basically, you don't have to do anything that you don't want to do as long as your child is being educated. Now what I do loosely follow the national curriculum. We have school normally around 9 AM to 12:30, but sometimes we don't have school that time. Sometimes we don't do school. Sometimes we have it in a different way, and that's formal school, academics. We have a school area at home, and I'll show you that on another video. And yes, we do socialise. He meets with homeschool groups. We have family gatherings. He has friends over to visit. He has other homeschool children over to visit. He's got his same peer group relatives, that his cousins that are the same age that we meet with, and he plays out with his friends in the facilities that's the same age as him as well. So that's Levi, that is. The other 2 children are too young to really say what they do to socialise, but they do socialise, and I think socialisation is one of the biggest questions that we face. I hope this answers some of your questions, and if you have any further questions, don't forget, you can inbox me or message me and I'll answer them. Bye!